Very, very loud. I like how it is really fast, and I'm still getting used to a big wheel, so I feel like it's gonna be way smaller and lighter.
It's good. This is like my first time ever riding like a 85 and actually doing like a moto on it. It's definitely fast. It's got a lot more suspension, and it's a lot funner than 65s for sure. It's probably gonna be a lot different because it's a big wheel, but I think I'll be able to get better at it when we ride it more, and I think it'll be fun.